Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. I was not planning to make a video, then I just decided to make a video. So today's video would be a little different than my normal videos. So mostly I will go over some stock, mostly AMC, WISH, CLOV, MMAT, MRIN, XELA, BSQR and TTCF. So mostly I will go with the chart and just want to give you a sense that what's coming for tomorrow. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And also I have a channel, you can always join here, and you can also get member specific things which I post in the community board. So basically you will see so many charts here. Some of them are for everyone, some of them are only for the members. So again, it is up to you. If you want to join, then definitely these are the trade ideas for you. Get in, get out, this kind of thing. And it costs only $3 per month, which is only 10 cents per day roughly. So first of all, I want to talk about AMC, and we all know about AMC, and you can see that after a big run up, it has been making a nice movement within a triangle, and seems like we are at the very end of the triangle. So most probably it will either go up or it will either come down. If it comes down, I think some important support would be around 51, 52 area, or some say around 53 area. If 51, 52 is intact, that is good. Otherwise this thing can come below all the way to around 48, and again maybe around 42, but again it depends if it comes down that far. Otherwise some important resistance would be around 60 area. Once 60 is broken, I think this thing will go and beat a 64 area. So the movement can be either way. So again, stay tuned, and yeah, let's make money on AMC. The next one is on WISH. Again, we know what has been making, and I made back-to-back many videos on WISH. So this one is just to show you the trend line that it was going up, came down. Now again it is again going up and maintaining a line. This is the blue line. So again it was having very hard resistance around $15, and it was rejected at $15, came down, but as long it is going up, the trend line is continuing, it is good. This thing can come down all the way to maybe 12.8 area, but as long it is going up and the blue line is intact, I think this is okay for you. But again, 15 would be a very important resistance. And also some other points I want to draw here, something around 13.1, some other lines, maybe something around 12.5, and maybe some areas around 14.5. So again, nothing is destroyed, looking good. As long as the trend is going upward, it is okay. It has gone a lot, so it might come down. It might come down to 13.1 or 13 or even 12.5, but this is okay. As long the trend is continuing, this is okay. So after which, the next one is on CLOV. Again, in this channel we talked about CLOV way early, around $8. We went all the way to 28, came down, and again today and even last week we had some nice run up for swing trade. And again you can see that the two blue line here, this has been moving within this triangle, and it can go either way. Again, if it goes up, it will hit a resistance around 14, or if it comes down, again 12.5, 12.6 would be an important support, because it has been held many times, you can see here. And if 12.6 is again intact, this thing will bounce. But if 12.6 is broken, this thing can come down all the way to 11. But again, a very good one. And I'm not covering the fundamentals and other things, the short squeeze thing, so definitely watch my previous video. This video is only about the chart pattern, but I'm very bullish, because after hour I think CLOV is up, and the important thing is it has to break 14, then 14.5, and this thing will start running. And you can see some kind of resistance around 15, 15.5. Once those are gone, this thing will run for sure. The other one is MMAT, and we know about the reverse split merger and everything. This thing has been coming down, so some important areas to keep that in mind. Around 6.6, you can see it was a previous resistance, then it became a support, then it went all the way to 22. So what's happening, the current price is 7, and what I found today, it got the floor around 7. So hopefully 7 would be a good point if you want. Otherwise this thing can come down all the way to 6.6 again. Also look some kind of consolidation around $10 area, then again some consolidation around 8 area, and definitely today it came to 7. But again, it was a merger thing, so many of the trading platform, they do not have this ticker ready. So again, maybe that is the reason there is less volume on this particular one. Look at the volume here, less and less volume. So I think once all the brokers will have the new ticker, and then most probably there will be more volume and this thing will bounce back. So I have been adding the dip. So I added some today at $7. I will add more around 6.6, and maybe this thing can come down all the way around 5.7. The next one is XELA. So in my community board today, I talked about it already, and you can see it has a massive run today. It has a massive run. It went up, came down, went up. Even after hours, it's going up and up. So I made some post in my community board, which was around 2.8. Then it went all the way to 3.3, I guess. And again, looking very, very nice. You can see that how it has been moving. And even after hours, I have been trading and making money on this particular one. So look, not looking bad, because after hour it went all the way to 3.3, came down, and is still 3.17. It was up by 59% during the day, and after hour it is up by 35%, so almost 100%. The next one, XELA. Then the next one is MRIN, and you can see this thing has been going up and up and up since $3. So it went all the way, and today again I alerted, which was around 12.6 area, and I was not into that particular one, but this thing went all the way to 18.6, and after hour it has been coming down. If you want to get into that particular one, wait for a dip to 12.6. maybe you will see a support, it will bounce back. If 12.6 is broken, this thing can come all the way to $9 area. Again, very, very volatile. If you want to play with this stock, just always use a very tight stop loss or a trailing stop loss. So in the period it comes down, you always lock your profit. The next one is again BSQR. This one was also running really good, and you see after hour here two big red bars. So it made all new high of the day, and then came down, but again currently sitting at a support, which is around 7.15. If 7.15 is intact, this thing can go back all the way to $8 again. On the flip side, if it is broken, this thing can come back all the way to $6. And the last one I want to talk about, TTCF. So again, TTCF has been doing really good. Let me see TTCF. I think after hour TTCF is also up. Yes, it was up by 3.8%, and after hour it is up by 3%. So currently it is at 21.7. And just looking at the chart, looks like this thing wants to go higher and higher. I made a previous video on TTCF, so please watch that out. So the resistance was around 20.87. That thing is broken. I think the next one would be around 21.5, and looking at after hour we are 21.7. If this thing can be intact, I think TTCF can run a lot. This thing can retest around this area, 21.9, or you can say 22. Once 22 is broken, then you have 22.5 and so on. And keep that in mind, recently TTCF went all the way to 24.5, but again it tested 23.25 many times. So again, a long way to go, but again things are looking good. After hour it is looking good, so I think next it will hit 21.5, 22, 22.5 and 23. By the way, this is not a regular video, my regular type video where I talk about one particular stock. I talk about so many things. I just decided to make this particular video just to show you the chart pattern for the ones I think they might have interesting price action tomorrow. And again, sorry for the sound quality. I'm using a different mic here, different computer. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, if you want, you can join my community. It costs only $3 per month. You can see so many posts we have here for everyone. Some posts are only for the members, and so many trade ideas, support, resistance, when to get in, get out, and so many things. And whenever there is a post, these are for members only. By the way, I'm not even logged into my YouTube account. That is why it is not showing the members only post. But normally when I'm in from my regular account, it shows member only post. So anyway, if you're a member, then definitely you can watch the price action, the trade ideas and everything. So again, thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.